Hey, hi, this is Arvind. Here I would like to tell about ICP4. In this video, I am going to explain about ICP4. I'm installing OpenJDK. After installing OpenJDK. Next we need to install Apache Spark 3.0.1 with Hadoop 2.7. Now here is the code for installing. Now we just need to unzip that folder. After that, here we are moving to we are doing mount. There is one last thing that we need to install Spark library. Here I am installing Spark, find Spark. Okay. After installing in Colab, we need to set environment path. We need to locate Spark in the system. If we look at where Spark is installed, we use find Spark, find this code. Okay. Now we can import Spark session from py Spark SQL. Here is the code, and finally print the Spark session variable. Here is the variables and versions. We need to load the data sets, and here is the data sets. After that, we need to show the truncate. Here is the table for here is the rows, top 5 rows. If we didn't set intra to true, here it happens to the type. They are all into the strings. Here, okay. You can select and show the names and the features below the gender and chun. Here only showing top 5 rows. To get summary of the statistics, we need to show the statistics data then here. Okay. Here we need to select the payment method. We need to show the payment method. Here is the result, and here we are doing MapReduce, and we need to create a Spark content. So here is the code for creating Spark content, and here is the result. After this Spark, we need to read the Spark content data. Infra stream true, header is true. We need to show the result of this code. After this, we need to define data frame, customer ID, and insert data frame. Here is the data frame. Read the format options. Here is the header, infra schema, null value, and timestamp, date of year, mode, options of path, and this is the result of the code. Okay, after the data frame method 1, here is showing the customer ID and gender, and then here we are importing double type and user defined function, and here is the result. You can see here is the result. And from PySpark we are importing max as Spark Max. So here is the Stack Overflow. Okay, here I am importing Panda as PD, and this is the data frame. After this describing to Panda, here is the result of the code. Data frame selected into internet services, take 5 here, and here is the result of everything, and I am copying to GitHub. And here is my result of my code. You can see here. Thank you.